behemoth is so tough, he avoided extinction. Ladies and gentlemen, give out a roar for Mega-Wrex. A sweet chain of stunts. Time to go. Oh no, that's a crash. The combo chain is broken. The loop is now accessible. Big air. Too bad. This combo chain is lost. That's some damage. Chain successfully closed. Rolling is strong. That's a rollover. This means the chain is lost. Combo chain successfully closed. That's a rollover. This means the chain is lost. That's a flip spin. Combo chain successfully closed. Born of DNA from the greatest predators. That's a no-cut. Oh no, that's a crash. The combo chain is broken. Combo chain is lost. Impressive bicycle. Look at that backflip. A perfect combo chain successfully closed. We are cashing out on that combo chain. You got the key. The loop is now open. Airtime is Destruction! Airtime! A crash right there. This chain is broken. We lost this combo. That's some damage. Save. Incredible backflip. Smash. Airtime. Unbelievable chain of stunts closing right there. Born of DNA from the greatest predators to walk the earth, this truck is at the top of the food chain. Incredible backflip. Destruction. Perfect backflip. Wreck time. Destruction. That's some damage. Look at that massive score! Airtime! That's a rollover. This means the chain is lost. Destruction! Incredible backflip! Oh no, that's a crash! The combo chain is broken! Something is destroyed. Something is destroyed. A flip plus a flat spin. That's a flip spin. Too bad. This combo chain is lost. Incredible backflip. Oh no, that's a crash. The combo chain is broken. Big backflip. Everything's been crushed. Everything's been crushed. Look at that backflip. Big backflip. Right there. There goes the combo. What a shame. Everything's been crushed. Another epic event in the books. Mega-Wrex really showed us why he's the champion. This undisputed master of heavy metal, he's here to bring skulls and flames in the arena. Let's turn up the volume for Bone Shaker. Incredible backflip. It's a save. Mega Loop is now open. Everything's been crushed. That is dumb. Damn it. What a pity. We lost his combo. Smash. Smash. Oh no, that's a crash. The combo chain is broken. It's a save. Chain time is out. Time to bring those points home. The combo chain is broken.